while she memorized the pages that I tried to not hide behind. She took my hand in hers and whispered her love for me. The lantern died that night, but we didn't need to see. Implying that she's the bee's knees and I am the cat's meow. It's funny how she recalls what I can't remember now. We both put our sunblock on, played on the beach and vowed that we'd live and we'd learn. Yeah, but she got a tan and I got a sunburn. Oh, afterglow, look out below. We left a trail of dust.